Have you noticed you are earning money, yet you still feel broke? This is not because you are lazy. It's not because you are not earning enough. It's because something deeper is happening and nobody teaches this. So before you blame your salary or jump into another side hustle, here are 3 real reasons you feel stuck financially, even when money is entering your account. 1. You are carrying emotional stress, not just financial stress. Money problems are really just money problems. When you are overwhelmed, tired, or stretched mentally, even small expenses feel like a heavy burden in your life because your emotions sometimes make the situation feel worse than it really is. 2. Bills, responsibilities, and comparison create constant pressure. Your money problem is not always the issue. Sometimes it's the pressure around you. Bills don't stop. Responsibilities don't pause. And the moment you start comparing your progress to someone else, you trigger a kind of anxiety that makes you feel behind, even when you are not actually behind. 3. Lack of financial structure leads to constant anxiety. When there is no structure for your money, anxiety becomes your default. So if you are earning, but you don't know where your money is going, then build structure, because structure brings clarity. Clarity reduces pressure. And sometimes you might think you are broke, but the real issue could be you are overwhelmed. Here is the beauty. Overwhelm disappears the moment clarity appears. So if you deserve a life where money no longer control your emotion, then build structure and take control of your destiny. If this video adds value, then like, share, and follow for more words, clarity, and business strategies. This is the journey of Wealth Circle, where we learn, grow, and build differently.